A great hunt requires two things: a search and a reward. Feline behaviorists have confirmed that cats' sense of smell is so powerful that it can rely on the pheromones of the environment to distinguish between danger and food. Let me introduce you Ollie Movable Treasure Box. This is a new generation of indoor cat hunting and feeding box. We have a scent box inside, and you can put any food in the box. All you have to do is set the time and send the signal with your phone. The temperature control system will create a scent that will only attract your cat's attention according to the size of the space. Your cat will catch the scent in the air and follow it to find the hunt. Compared to humans, cats have very few taste receptors on their tongues, and it's their sense of smell rather than taste that stimulates their hunger. So they will grow to love the scent hunting game. Let them feel the joy of hunting indoors. Book now and enjoy the early bird discount.